Hey, welcome to our Yoga Nidra. We have all been there, that state of overwhelm, perhaps insomnia, tossing and turning. So whether that's tossing and turning is created from stress that you might be enduring at work, that's filling your head, or perhaps it's the 70-odd thousand repeat thoughts that revisit us on a daily basis. We know those as ruminations. You know those video replays, the loops that go through your head that just won't leave you in peace? Also, when we don't get enough sleep, life becomes unnecessarily tougher. And this is where we introduce Yoga Nidra. So Yoga Nidra is a state of consciousness that exists between the wake and the sleep states. In our yoga practice, we also know it as the Turiya state. Typically, Yoga Nidra is induced by a guided meditation. And this meditation, you are not alone. You have me to guide you. It's a practice that brings stillness to the entire body. It lets that feeling of heaviness lure you into a deep and restful state. Yoga Nidra is for everyone, and it's for everyone because all you have to do is lay there. The benefits of Yoga Nidra go far beyond stress relief and profound relaxation. They actually move you towards your mindfulness and meditation practice. They bring you a sense of calm, clarity, make you feel more connected and content, and create space for creativity and owning your own happiness from that place of joy. So just like our other yoga practices, Yoga Nidra doesn't really need that much, but there are a few things that you can do to make your experience a little bit more enjoyable and comfortable. So the first thing on that list is definitely to find a quiet and restful space away from distractions. So rolling out your mat, finding your sacred space, maybe even lying on your bed, although that's not entirely recommended unless you want to go into a really deep sleep. So definitely find a restful space away from distractions. So, you know, when you roll out your yoga mat, you're going to class, and the body and the brain know what's going to happen when you go to class. And so that's really what we're looking for. When we step into our Yoga Nidra and we hop on our mat or into our sacred space, the body prepares itself because it knows that it's going to, just like you're going to meditation practice, it knows that you're going to go somewhere that has extraordinary benefits for the self. So important here is to get comfy. You might like to rest your head on a pillow. Maybe you might like to put a pillow, or if you're lucky enough to have a yoga bolster, under the knees. And what this does is that little support under the knees releases or removes any tension from the lower back. Optional extras such as an eye pillow, lavender scented, is really nice for relaxation, or a blanket for the body. So that lovely feeling of the blanket being weighted over the body, and of course it's temperature dependent, can add to that sense of deep relaxation. So you're going to be lying down on your back in that supine position, so make sure that you are as comfortable as possible. The goal of Yoga Nidra is to be in a state of rest and effortlessness so that you and your body can rest, recover, rejuvenate, and heal. So when you get set up, all you need to do is press play and listen to my voice guide you through the Yoga Nidra for deep relaxation. See you at the Yoga Nidra. Namaste.